everyone, it's Todd
and Dave
from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Join us today as we celebrate 1,000 subscribers and show you how to make what?
Nashville hot chicken sandwiches.
Only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Foxhole fam, I'm Todd.
And I'm Dave.
And welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. As we said top of the show, we are making Nashville hot chicken sandwiches. And we are celebrating 1,000 subscribers. Can you believe it?
I can't believe it.
6 years, and we can't thank you guys so much for tuning in. The recipe is simple.
And easy.
And of course, so
good.
So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start off the marinade here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is a cup and a half of buttermilk. To that, I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of hot sauce. Now, Dave and I were actually lucky enough to find actual Nashville hot sauce this morning, so you definitely smell the heat coming from this sauce. So. Set that aside here. To that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt.
Okay.
And we're just going to whisk this together here. And I think this is looking pretty good there. What do you think?
Looks really good.
All right, we'll go ahead and get ready to move on here. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs and just put them in our marinade that we just made. And then we're just going to let these marinate here for 2 hours in the refrigerator. Make sure to get these nice and coated here.
Right. I'm all coated completely.
Yes.
Thighs have a lot of little nooks and crannies to get that brine into. So.
And we want to get all the juices in.
Oh yeah.
And get this. Definitely gonna get these easily submerged here. So.
Okay.
And I think we're looking pretty good here. What do you think, Dave?
Good.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this in the fridge then.
Okay, so now we've let this sit in here for over 2 hours. So the chicken thighs have been soaking in this brine for over 2 hours.
Look awesome.
They look awesome, and we're going to take them out and stick them on a wire rack here.
Okay.
Put them on a wire rack, and just going to take them out, get the excess sauce off of them.
Looking at it now, Dave, do you realize we never thought in a million years that we would ever get 1,000 subscribers, and look at us now.
No, that was unexpected, but it happened eventually.
Yeah, who'd have thunk it? And
yeah.
We appreciate all the support that we get. And
yeah.
Onward and upward. And
oh yeah.
We're shooting for the stars with this episode, so.
Uh-huh.
What's been ultimately your favorite episode that we've done?
Oh my, we've done a lot of really good ones. I kind of like the crepes episode. That one went really well. I thought that was a really good episode to do. It was something totally different.
It was outside the box a little
bit. Right, exactly. So what I'm going to do here, because we're going to still use this, so I'm going to add 2 eggs.
Okay.
And just whisk it together with the 2 eggs. And this will be part of our coating. This really spicy buttermilk mixture. Okay, and now we're going to move on.
Okay.
Okay, the next thing I want to do while these are draining a little bit, I'm going to make our breading. First, we're going to take 1 1/4 cups of flour, just regular old flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper,
Okay.
1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper,
Okay.
and like 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, just to give it that little lift. And we're just gonna
Whisk it together.
whisk it together. This will be our breading.
Give a nice little kick to it.
Oh yeah. Okay, and we're gonna move on.
All right.
Okay, so the final thing we're gonna do here, we are gonna take one of our chicken thighs.
Okay.
I'm gonna get it in the flour, coat it in the flour.
Okay.
Let's get that flour all coated on there. Then throw it in our egg and buttermilk mixture.
Okay.
Get that coated. And then back in the flour again.
You know what I honestly thought was probably one of our better episodes?
What's that?
And you may have not thought about it.
What's that?
The cannoli episode.
The cannoli episode is really good. If anybody wants to check it out, you know, that's a really great episode. We made cannoli, and it was terrific. So
I think my favorite one to this date was the lemon blueberry scones.
yes, and those are a terrific recipe. We've made them many times.
Yes, they are kind of a crowd favorite.
Yeah.
Anywhere we go, and
Yep, anywhere we go. We're just going to keep doing this with all our thighs until we run out of chicken or we run out of batter, whichever first.
it was just one of the first episodes we really kind of threw in as many jokes as we could that episode. So
Oh yeah, we kind of.
it was one of the first times we really showed who we are.
Yeah,
So
it's a little more informal. Okay, we're going to keep doing this until we get them all coated.
okay.
Okay, and then we'll move on. Okay, what I'm going to do is I have my big skillet here on medium high that is filled with about an inch of oil, inch maybe 2 inches of oil. We want to use the flat skillet. We're not using the deep fryer this time because we have a flat sandwich here and we want to keep them flat. And we want to cook them both on both sides. So we're going to take our tongs and I'm going to grab one piece here and just toss it in the fryer. There we go. That's nice. I'm going to do 3 pieces at a time. I'm not going to do them all at once. And we're just going to lay them in here like that. That's perfect. And then we'll do them about 5 or 6 minutes on each side just till they're golden brown. And then we'll take them up and put them on paper towels.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, these look like they're doing really good. It's been about 5 or 6 minutes. So I'm going to flip them over one at a time here. And look how good they are on that side.
They're
They're nice
awesome.
and juicy. And we're just going to flip them really gently here. There you go. Yeah, they're looking really good on that side. So we're just going to hold these a couple more minutes until they're done the whole way through.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, these have been frying here for about 11 minutes or so, about 5 minutes on each side, and I'm going to take them up. So get my tongs right under here. Look at that. Throw off some of that excess oil. And we're going to put this on a baking sheet with some paper towels to dry. We're going to stick our baking sheet in the oven at 200 degrees. And we're going to make our second batch.
Alright guys, well our chicken's in the oven here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is make the sauce to go on top. Going to start off with 3 tablespoons of butter. Next up I'm going to add a 1.5 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. A 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili pepper. Or that's paprika. I have them a little backwards there. 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And be careful with this. This is some of the oil from our chicken that Dave cooked off earlier. And just be careful pouring that in. And we're just going to whisk this together.
Just until the butter melts and it's all mixed in there.
Yeah, it might take a little bit here.
Might take a little bit for the butter to melt.
Alright, let's go ahead and coat our pieces of chicken here. Don't have to be too particular with it.
Let's give them a good coating of that sauce.
It smells amazing. How do you think we're doing here, Dave?
Looks good. I think that's good.
Okay, let's go ahead and make our sandwiches here. Lastly, guys, let's go ahead and make our sandwiches here. I'm going to go ahead and take a nice brioche bun. You can find them basically any store, or you make your own.
And
give a
what
nice.
are you doing there?
Putting some mayonnaise on.
Okay. Put some mayo on the bottom.
Yeah, what do you think here?
Oh, take that one, yeah.
Start with this one to start.
Put that on the sandwich.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I put, what, 2 pickles, you think?
2 or 3 pickles. Let's give it something.
And then
there you go.
top it. And I'm going to go ahead and finish these off, and then we'll do a nice little taste test here.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's time for our favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how we did with our chicken sandwiches here. A lot of heat, simple, tasty, and delicious. You guys are gonna love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, we want to thank you again for joining us and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times and good food only on Baking with Foxella Kitchen. We'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.